my diet might be the cause of these fingers no longer bleeding and being a nightmare like this hand still is for the most part. So I'm gonna celebrate with a little ditty. Looking down there, a little ditty to celebrate my hands seemingly responding to this crazy lion diet for my psoriasis. Ike Baker told me when I was young, enter the pathway toward the sun. Come listen closely to what I pray, and it will help you to find your way. Yeah. Oh yeah. Now take your time. Don't go too fast. Alchemy comes, Lord, and it shall pass. Go find a temple, and you'll find love. But don't forget, son, there's Kether up above. And be a simple kind of mage. Be someone who's balanced without rage. Yeah, be a simple kind of mage. Oh, won't you do this for me, my friend, and break those chains?